What is a passkey? A passkey is a modern and secure way to log into apps or websites without using a password. In simple words, a passkey is a digital key that lets you sign in safely without typing a password. Instead of remembering passwords, passkeys use your device, such as your phone or computer, to confirm your identity. They often work with fingerprint, face recognition, or a device PIN. For example, you can log in using a passkey with your fingerprint. This means you don't need to type a password. Your device verifies you. Passkeys are based on strong encryption, which makes them more secure than traditional passwords. They help protect against hacking, phishing attacks, password leaks. For example, passkeys make online accounts more secure. This means they reduce the risk of someone stealing your login details. Passkeys are supported by many platforms like Google, Apple, and Microsoft. Here are some more example sentences. I switched to passkeys for better security. Passkeys are easier than remembering passwords. Many apps now support passkey login. Some related terms include password authentication and cybersecurity. In simple terms, a passkey is a safer and easier way to log in without a password. Easy way to remember. Passkey means a password-free, secure login method.